You ever get knocked down so hard you actually consider staying down? Yeah, me too. And if you're still watching past this sentence, that means some part of you already decided you're not staying there. Good, because this video isn't about motivation, it's about the comeback. Let me be real with you for a second. A few months back, I lost. Not in some dramatic movie way, just the quiet kind of losing. Missed goals, wasted days, watching other people win while I made excuses in my head that sounded smart. And the worst part? I knew it. I could feel myself falling behind my own potential, and I just let it happen. I'd wake up, tell myself today was the day, and by noon I was right back in the same loop. That's the part nobody warned you about. Losing isn't one big moment, it's 100 small surrenders that add up until you don't even recognize yourself anymore. You know who gets this better than any self-help book? Vegeta. Every single arc, this guy gets absolutely destroyed. He trains himself half to death and still comes back weaker than everyone he's chasing. And it keeps happening. He gets humbled over and over. But here's the part people miss. Vegeta never quits because he's not afraid of losing. He's terrified of staying the same. That's the whole engine. He turns every defeat into fuel instead of into an excuse. And that's exactly why he keeps evolving when guys with more talent flatline. He doesn't wait to feel ready. He doesn't wait for motivation to show up and tap him on the shoulder. He just goes back into the gravity chamber and does the work nobody's watching. That's not anime logic. That's real life logic. Real quick, if this is hitting different, smash that like button and subscribe, because the next part is where we actually build the plan. All right, here's how you engineer your comeback. 4 moves, not 10. Move 1, name the loss out loud. Enough dancing around it. I got lazy, I got scared, I let comfort win. You can't fix a problem you're too proud to say out loud. Vegeta didn't get stronger by pretending he didn't lose. He got stronger the moment he accepted exactly how far behind he was. Move 2, pick 1 rep, not 10. Comebacks don't start with a total life overhaul, they start with one non-negotiable. One thing you do every single day no matter how you feel. 15 minutes of the hard task, 1 page, 1 set. Small, boring, repeatable. That's the whole secret nobody wants to hear because it's not exciting. It's just true. Move 3. Let people watch you build. Not for likes, for accountability. When Vegeta trains, he's not hiding in a cave hoping no one notices when he skips a day. He's out there, visible, with everything on the line. Post it, tell a friend, whatever. Just stop doing your comeback in private where it's easy to quietly give up. Move 4. Expect to lose again and go back anyway. This is the one people skip. Vegeta's comeback wasn't one clean redemption arc. It was loss, training, on repeat for years. If you think your comeback is one dramatic turnaround and then smooth sailing forever, you're setting yourself up to quit the second you slip. The comeback isn't a moment. It's a habit you keep returning to every time life humbles you again. That's it. That's the whole formula. Name it, pick 1 rep, stay visible, expect to fall again, and go back anyway. Here's the thing nobody tells you about a real comeback. It doesn't feel powerful in the moment. It feels small, it feels slow, it feels like nothing's happening for weeks. You'll have days where you do everything right and still feel like you're behind everyone else. That's normal. That's not a sign to quit. That's just what the middle of a comeback actually feels like before anyone else can see it. And then one day you look up and you're not the same person who got knocked down. You're the version that got back up and actually meant it this time. Your worst season isn't your final form. It's just your Frieza saga. Everybody's got one. What matters is whether you train through it or stay stuck replaying the loss on repeat. So here's your only assignment today. Name your loss, pick your 1 rep, and start today, not Monday, today. Drop a comment with the one thing you're coming back from. I read every single one. And if this gave you even a little bit of that let's go feeling, subscribe, because this channel is entirely built for people who are done staying down. Let's get it.